welcome back to my channel. It's Amie Lynn. If you are new here, I am so freaking excited. I am teamed up with FabFitFun. I am so excited about this because I've been obsessed with this company and I just want to share it with you guys. Like, how cool is this? So they reached out to me and they sent me this members pick box. I'm so excited to show you this and unbox it for you all. Like, I already took a sneak peek, so yeah, but you guys will be seeing it for the first time and I'm so excited to show you everything that's in here. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a subscription service and they send you a box 4 times a year, or basically every season. And it's always full of freaking goodies, full size goodies. And the best thing about it is you can select some of the items that do go in your box. When you log onto the website and you sign up, it will ask you, would you rather have this or that? And if you select that, you'll get that. If you select this, you'll get this. So I think that's pretty awesome because obviously every girl is different. So yeah, we all have different hobbies, different interests. So I thought that was super cool that they allow you to choose what actually goes inside of your box. So each box is valued over $200. And if you use my coupon code, you'll get it for $39.99. What? So I got the members pick box. Basically, it's a bunch of items that sold out really quickly within the past year or so that people were obsessed with, and they made it its own little customized box. I will suggest that if you do want to get this box, that you hop on it really quick, because like I said, the last time they had a members pick box, it went super fast, sold out super quick. So yeah, hop on that. I will leave a link down below and let's just look in the box. You guys are probably tired of me talking already. So when you open the box, it just looks like this. I love their detailing. Like, they didn't just throw it in a FedEx box, you know? They have their own boxes. The first thing I have is just like this little coupon for HelloFresh, $80 off my first purchase. I definitely will be using that. And then this booklet tells you basically everything that is inside of your box and the original sale price of it, like the retail price. You can compare that yourself on what you actually paid for everything together. I think this is super cool. It tells you everything that's in the box or everything that you could have had, because like I said, you are allowed to pick which items you want. All right, so these I actually selected. Like I said, you can choose what you want, and I got this. The first thing is this makeup eraser. I thought this was really cool because I'm usually using makeup wipes. If you watch like any kind of like face care guru, whatever, they're like, makeup wipes aren't good for you. So I decided to get this. It says bye bye makeup wipes forever. I don't really know how to use it, but I'll probably do a video on it on how to use it. It is reusable, obviously, and you can throw it in the washing machine. Super cool. This next thing, I'm obsessed with gold jewelry. If you've been here for a minute, that's all I wear. This is by Amie. So yeah, I'm excited to wear this. It is like a double chain necklace. It's super cute. Can you guys see that? Yes, I'm excited for that. I love, love, love jewelry. This next thing is just another coupon, $45 credit for your first box of personalized wine through Bright Sellers. I don't drink wine, but my boyfriend does, and he's already claimed this. Like I said, I took a sneak peek the other day. The next thing is this hand cream. I also picked this out myself because I'm constantly washing my hands and I have eczema. Like, my skin is always so dry and I always need a on-the-go lotion. So I picked this out as well. It is from the brand Levito, and it's musk, coconut, and shea butter. Nurturing hand cream. It looks like that. Don't mind my fingernails. We're in a pandemic. Not that you can smell it, but ooh. It smells like a baby. Ooh. All right, the next thing I got is this body wash infused buffer by Spongelli. I don't really know how to pronounce it. Basically, it's just a shower sponge full of great ingredients for your skin. So I absolutely needed that. Like I told you guys, I have really dry skin. I have eczema, so I am excited to try this. And again, like I said, everything is full size products. Nothing is like sample or whatever. The next thing I got, I absolutely needed this, by Touch in Soul, and it is a primer. So a little makeup primer, looks like this, cute little casing. I wish this would focus. There we go. Pink, who doesn't love pink? This is going to be an everyday use because I'm trying to do this thing where although school is online right now, I'm trying to get up, get ready for class as if I'm actually leaving the house because I feel more productive. That's what I did this morning, and I've gotten a lot done so far, so hopefully I can keep that up. This next thing I got is from the Van Vure, and I've seen these people on Instagram all the time. Basically, they're just like a bag brand. Like they have backpacks, like workout duffel bags, all that kind of stuff. So when I seen this, I was like, definitely I want that. This is just a little purse. Like I said, it is like a workout brand, so the material is very like soft and durable. It's not leather or anything. It literally feels like a backpack that you would take to the gym, but this is just a crossover bag. And you can take this off too and like use it as a wristlet, whatever you'd like, but it just looks like that. And again, it is by the brand Vure, so check them out on Instagram. I'm telling you, their stuff is so cute. This next thing I'm so excited about. I already know what this is. Okay, hold on. Okay. All right, that's annoying. Shut up, Amie. Girl, what? This is a Michael Kors passport protector, and it's a freaking wallet. What? Yes, I'm going to be using this. The hell? Like, this is so cute. I'm so excited to use this. Y'all, get y'all a box. The next thing I got is a backpack because I need a backpack. And like I said, every item in this box I did pick out myself. They do give you options to choose from, and I got every option that I wanted. This is from the brand Bootkier. I don't know. I've also seen these people on Instagram. This is so cute. Correct me on how I'm saying this. Bootkier. I don't know. But it is super cute. The top is obviously, hopefully it's fake leather. I don't really know. But the top is like leather, and then the bag itself is like this. What material makes that sound? The front just looks like this. It has two little pockets in the front that zip up, and then you just pop the top, open it up. It opens up like that. I thought this was so freaking cute. There is also a zipper on the inside. Yeah, there's a zipper on the inside. The front just buttons, and then the straps just say the brand all over the straps in black. I thought this is super freaking cute. Like, I'm so excited to wear this stuff. Like, y'all don't even know. That is all that's in the box. Each box normally comes with 8 to 10 items. I'm so excited to be working with them, guys. Again, I'm obsessed with everything that's in the box. I'm going to be using it all. If you want to get the same box, this is the members pick box. Click the link below and use my coupon code. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one.
I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on